Hello again, and welcome back to dasim, the simulator, and this time having a look at loading and saving designs and the preset library. So, once again, back to the simulator screen. Now, File I/O is the menu tab that we'll be looking at this time. Click on that, and there are two pull-down boxes here, labelled Select Preset Group and Select Preset here. Now, there are an expanding number of presets, and there's probably going to be loads more of them by the time you actually start using the simulator. So I've organised them into a set of preset groups. The idea is you select a preset group, which probably won't be everything, which gives you every possible preset, but might be, for example, autumn term labs. Click on that, and then only the presets in the autumn term lab will appear underneath in this second pull-down box. These will probably be very different by the time you have a look at them, as more of them are being developed most of the time. Let's pick up this one here, Explain A, as an example. All I do is click on that, and that preset would be automatically loaded in. You don't have to press the load preset button. You can if you like. Just selecting it here, that is enough to select and load in the preset itself. And then you can start interacting with the simulation in the usual way, changing the values of anything that you want to change, and everything will adapt as normal. Saving designs. Now, saving designs, you would fill in the name that you want to save the design as in this text box here. So I'll just call it design name. I'll click Save Design, and the design is downloaded into your Downloads folder, wherever that is on your computer. Mine is here. Just drag it across so you can see it. And it's come in today. This one is called Design Name 1 because this is the second time I've tried to download this design. I could now clear the design. And if I wanted to reload in that design, hit Load Design. That will bring up a in my case, a Windows navigator box. I go to my Downloads folder, select Design Name 1, open, and my circuit will be loaded back in. There is a shortcut way of doing that. If you happen to have a File Explorer window open, I can just drag the file onto the simulator screen, and it will load in directly from there. It's often a faster way to do it. There is this checkbox here called Hide Menus. Now, if I were to save the design like this, I'll call it Save Design Name Hide, and now save the design. Go back to my Windows Downloads screen. If I save this, if I load this one in, Design Name Hide, the preset will be reloaded, but this time the menus will be minimized. That's all it does. It just allows you to configure a design so that when it is loaded back in again, the menus are automatically minimized. If you're interested, these files here are just text files, and they're stored in something called JSON format. Do have a look at them in a text file editor or a text file viewer. You might be able to see just how the different components are stored, but there's no need to do that. That's just if anybody is interested. Clear design clears the design. I think that's all there is to loading and saving designs. Do just note the fact that you are responsible for saving and backing up and keeping your own designs. The system doesn't do that for you. There's no database on the web, on the cloud, which is storing them. They are downloaded onto your computer. It's your job to keep them safe. And I think that's just about all I needed to say about saving and loading designs and the presets. Goodbye for now. See you in the next one.